The fabulous Fox Theater, a favorite of performers and audiences alike, is the crown jewel of Grand Center, St. Louis's art and entertainment district, and now awarded the official best entertainment venue in Missouri for 2010. The Fox, as it's known by locals, was opened in 1929 by then-owner William Fox and designed by the famous architect C. Howard Crane. The majestic movie palace showed silent features, accompanied by its spectacular Wurlitzer organ, as well as the first talkies with full movie-tone sound. In 1981, the Fox was in need of much repair when it was purchased and renovated by Fox Associates. The theater was meticulously restored as closely as possible to its 1929 state through the use of highly skilled craftsmen. Now, with a seating capacity of more than 4,000, the theater is famous all over the world. Its majestic columns, spectacular chandelier, and intricate detail continue to amaze and inspire all who enter. Since its reopening in 1982, more than 15 million people from across the St. Louis region and the world have enjoyed great performances, including Broadway spectacles like The Phantom of the Opera, The Lion King, and the Radio City Christmas Spectacular. Plus, countless artists from Bob Hope to Nat King Cole, Liberace, Frank Sinatra, Bruce Springsteen, Garth Brooks, Tina Turner, and so many more have graced the Fox stage. A new exhibit recently opened as part of the Fox Theater's 25th anniversary celebration. Peacock Alley is a visual display on the fourth level where the public can immerse themselves in an incredible exhibit celebrating more than 2,000 shows and stars that have appeared at the Fox since 1982. Once again, the fabulous Fox has proven that it's America's most spectacular showcase, presenting St. Louis and the world with the best of everything and something for everyone. The fabulous Fox Theater, the official best entertainment venue in Missouri for 2010.